Brand new from Wyze. Their new video doorbell version 2, better than before, but still $40. You know we gotta unbox this. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk. Have you heard of the company Wyze? These guys started out making really inexpensive internet-connected cameras. They changed the game. They brought the price down to $20 and changed everything. And now they've got a lot of other products out. This is their newest video doorbell, the Wyze Video Doorbell V2. It's got 2K video, 24/7 local recording onto an SD card. It works with your existing doorbell chime in your house, 12-second clip recording to the cloud. It'll save those clips for 2 weeks. It even has color night vision, and it's still ridiculously inexpensive. Coming up later in this video, I'm gonna tell you the 2 things about this new Wyze video doorbell that I think make it a game changer, so stick around for that. But first, we gotta take the new Wyze video doorbell V2 over to the table and get this unboxed.
So here you go, the Wyze video doorbell, the front of the box here, you can see it's got the name, Wyze video doorbell, wired, because this does need to be wired into an existing doorbell wire. On the side here, it says night is clear as day. This is the color night vision, shows you 2 different sample pictures here. It also breaks down what's in the box. The Wyze Video Doorbell V2, the Chime Controller, 30-degree corner kit, the wall plate, the installation kit, the QuickStart guide, and then you've got your app icons there. It does say the app download required and existing doorbell wires are required as well. On the back here, you've got a look at the app, which is the same Wyze app that you use for all your other Wyze devices if you have their cameras. Over on the side, it breaks down the features. 2K HD video, color night vision, existing doorbell chime support, which is new, 24/7 continuous recording with a card, 2-way audio, pre-roll recording, person and package detection with a subscription, IP65 weatherproof. So that's the quick breakdown there. So let's get the knife. Let's slice this open and get inside the box so we can see what this looks like on the inside. Ooh, right on top, a little surprise here, a Wyze sticker. This is kind of cool. I backed. This is the I backed sticker. So this is for people who backed the campaign to get this thing on store shelves. Wyze, of course, does a lot of GoFundMe or Indiegogo campaigns or what have you to sell their products. Inside the box, right there when you open it up, the QuickStart guide sort of just falls out, and this is, pretty typical things you'd expect. It goes through how to install this, and when you're talking about a doorbell camera, there is a decent amount of install required because you do have to wire it into the existing doorbell wiring, and you'll see in a second, it includes a controller for your chime, so I think you're gonna have to wire that into the chime inside your house as well. We'll take a look at that closer in our full review, but yeah, the QuickStart guide, just going through the basics of what's included here, how to install it, what each button does, etc., etc. And then inside this tiny little box, they really did pack this in a tiny little box. You've got a whole lot of stuff packed in here, and so I'm gonna take it all out first, and then we'll break it down one by one, what exactly you get when you buy the Wyze Video Doorbell V2. So we'll start with this. This is the Chime Controller, and I'm pretty sure, I haven't installed this yet, but I'm pretty sure this connects to the Chime inside your house. It's a small little device. It's got a 2-way sticker on the back here. It's got a couple of wires, looks like a total of maybe 4 wires, 3 or 4 wires sticking out the side here, and the QuickStart guide obviously will walk you through that. I'm sure there's instructions in the app as well. We'll learn more about this when we do our full review, but you do have to install this to use your chime inside your house that you probably already have with your existing doorbell. Here we've got some drywall screws. It looks like a couple of wires in there, just all the stuff, the screws, the things you need to install this onto your home. This is the angle kit. So if you installed a doorbell camera before, some homes need the camera to be on an angle. 30 degrees is kind of the normal angle that you use, and that's exactly what this is. It's nothing more than a piece of plastic that helps you mount the camera angled so it actually points toward anywhere where people might walk up to your front door. Not all of your home needs this, but most doorbell cameras come with this. And now here we go. This is the doorbell camera itself from Wyze. Let's get this open and check this out. This, of course, the main piece of hardware that comes in the box. It needs the other pieces and parts. Those are important, but this is what everyone's looking for. And here it is. It's got a little weight to it. It feels good, feels solid. It's got plastic on the front. You ready? You little sick guys out there, I know you love this. Pull that plastic off. It's such a good feeling, isn't it? Weird. Look at that thing, though. Looks slick, looks shiny. This is in black plastic. It's got the big button on the front there. It's got the camera on the front there. Let's take a look around this thing and see what else we got going on. So this is the SD card slot, micro SD to be more exact, on the side that you can use. You don't have to use. Looks like a little speaker. Maybe the microphone might be there as well. The microphone actually probably is on the front of the doorbell right there with that little hole right below the camera, right above the button. Nothing on the top, and we'll flip it around to the back here. You've got connections for your doorbell wires, and that's kind of it. Honestly, there is a reset button. That's what that button there on the top is. That's a little reset button when you're setting things up or if you have to reset the doorbell. But otherwise, it's a pretty simple device. It is a doorbell. It is waterproof, so they got to keep it pretty sealed up so they don't put too much here except for the basics. That is the Wyze video doorbell layout. So there you go, the Wyze video doorbell. It seems like a pretty simple device, but gosh, it's what's inside. It's the software features. It's everything else that really puts this together. And here are all the things that come with the Wyze video doorbell in the box, so you know what to expect if you're buying this.
So I promised you I'd give you my 2 reasons why I think this video doorbell from Wyze is a game changer. First of all, the price. $40. You cannot touch a mainstream video doorbell for that price. It's just an amazing deal. But on top of that, the number 2 reason I think this is a game changer is the cloud recording that comes with the video doorbell. Not only can you put a memory card in here and record 24/7, but they'll save 12-second clips into the cloud and they'll store them for you in the cloud for 2 weeks before they get erased. Most mainstream video doorbells erase the clips before the day's even over, which makes it almost useless without a subscription. So this is huge from this new video doorbell from Wyze. But I'm gonna have more on that in my full review. That's coming up on the channel, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get a notification when we post that, and like this video. It just helps us grow. Thanks for hanging with us. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.